In this episode, we're going to have a look at Ratatui Ruby, which is a TUI, or a Terminal User Interface. And it's really cool because sometimes we like to live in the terminal as developers, and there are just some things that would be a little bit nicer if we had a pleasant interface within the terminal. And I like Ratatui because it just works. There's very few hiccups in it, and the DSL it provides is rather simple once you get used to it. And so we're going to look at a few different examples and how you can get started as well. For example, I have several different Rails projects that I use, and I can check the status of them to see if there's any outdated gems. So in this case, most of my projects are up to date except for one of them, and I can then look to see what's outdated on that project, and I can then choose to upgrade it, and it'll upgrade all the gems. And in the process, down at the bottom, it'll let me know how things are going. And there's so many different things that you can do with this. And we're not going to dive into all of these applications, but you can get a pretty good idea of some of the different things possible. So here we have a file explorer that will let you navigate your disk. We can make a task manager, which is just a to-do list. It's not always interactive. Sometimes we just want to monitor things. So we can do a system monitor where we can just get an overview, look at our processes or the network, and so forth. To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftandruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.